Welcome back to our learning lab. Love yummy honey? Ever wonder where it comes from? It's from our amazing friends, the bees. Let's discover their secret recipe. Our honey journey starts in a colorful garden. Bees find sweet nectar inside flowers. They use their long, straw-like proboscis to sip it up, storing it in their special honey stomach. Full of nectar, the bee flies back home to the hive. They share the nectar with other worker bees, adding special helpers called enzymes that starts to change the nectar to thicker nectar. Worker bees store this honey in the hexagonal cells of honeycomb, which is made by themselves. In this point, nectar has too much water. They blow air by flapping their wings over the nectar in the honeycomb, helping the extra water disappear. Once the honey is taken perfect, bees seal its cells with a tiny little bee box. This keeps the honey fresh and yummy. Why do bees make honey? It's their food, their energy snack. For when flowers are scarce like in winter. Lucky for us, they make extra for us to enjoy. Bees are amazing helpers for our planet. So, bees collect nectar, bring it to the hive, dry it, and sell it. That's honey. Amazing, right? Thank you all. See you at the next video.